Let's stay safe, everybody. Scratch your head. Wash your hands. Avoid crowds. There you go. It's easy to stay safe. And it's easy and fun to stay smart. Let's make a movie. Let's create something. Let's make a movie. Let's make a movie in English. When we create something, we really learn because we are making this thing for ourselves and we're really paying attention. That's why it's difficult sometimes to learn from textbooks. You didn't write the textbook, and when you start reading the textbook, you don't really care and you don't pay attention. But when we make something on our own, it's exciting and it's fun. And we want to do a good job and we want to share it with our friends on Facebook and Instagram and TikTok and all kinds of things. So let's try that. Let's make something in English and we can even share it with each other too. Let's make a movie. Come on. I'll show you how. We start by going to the App Store and look for Adobe Spark Video. Here's the app. Open it up, download it. This app is free. Once you get it on your phone, open the app, and we're going to start a new movie. I'm going to go right to the editor. Here's my screen. I can add a video. I can add text, I can add photos. I'm going to put a picture from my camera. Boom. Done. Now I can change the size of the photo and reposition it. I can change the layout if I want. And I'm going to add text. I'm going to say, high fives, everyone. Make the text bigger. Done. And now I'll record myself saying what I've written. Good job. High fives, everyone. Good job. High fives, everyone. Just like that. And what's great is if you make a mistake, it's super easy to correct the mistake. Maybe I'd rather say high fives all around. You can change the audio. Great job, everybody. High fives all around. Great job, everybody. High fives all around. And I can change the text. Oh. Whoops, I spelled around wrong. No problem. And I'm done. Just like that. You can make a movie too. My class downloaded the app onto their phones and made their movies in about 25 minutes. You give it a try. See what you can do.